face me this way. And breathe out. I've never lost a patient. Drop the feet. Breathe out. Good. And on your back one more time.